Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to discuss about Plasmodium life cycle, which is in two stages. Which is first one is in the mosquito body, and the next one is the in the man body. When we are going to discuss about the Plasmodium life cycle, always remember that there are two stages in which the mosquito giving different cells and become mature and then infected a person. Firstly, we are going to discuss in the mosquito body. Whenever in the mosquito, the microgametes, which is from a male, and there are the macrogametes, which is from the female. Always remember, micro means smaller and macro means larger. Macro convert to the egg and the micro convert to the sperm. Whenever a sperm and egg meet, the process is called fertilization. When the whole process going on, fertilization, the micro and macro gametes converted into the ookinete, which is then moved towards the stomach wall of the mosquito. The stomach wall attaches the ookinete and it become a oocyst. The oocyst with the sporozoids now move to the next stages, in which the oocyst burst release the sporozoids. These are the sporozoids in like black lines in the orange, and the sporozoids are burst from the stomach wall, and now sporozoids move from stomach to the salivary gland of the mosquito. As you all know that the medium which transferred the plasmodium from a mosquito to the man is a bite from a mouth which have a salivary glands, and these sporozoids in the salivary glands now convert and now move towards the man body. The sporozoid injected into the man infects the liver. Now we discuss about the mosquito plasmodium life cycle in the mosquito body, and now we are moving towards in a man body. Always remember that there are two stages in the man body, that are extraerythrocytic schizonti, which is mostly in the liver, and erythrocytic schizonti, which is on the RBCs. Now the sporozoids which enter into the body of a man from a bite of an infected mosquito transfer the sporozoids which move towards the liver, and now the sporozoids now convert to the immature schizont in the liver, and immature schizont then converted into the mature schizont. When the schizont become mature, there is a burst of merozoites from that cells, and now this is called the erythrocytic schizonti because it is on the RBC. Erythrocytes mean RBC, erythrocytic schizonti. When the merozoite attached to the RBC cell, it is called a ring trophozoite, and the ring trophozoite convert to the trophozoite, and then it converted into the immature schizont, and then converted to the mature schizont. As I already discussed, when the schizont become mature, there is a burst and release of merozoites. These are the merozoites. There are two ways where the merozoites can go. The first way is that the merozoite reinvasion of RBC. There are a lot of RBCs in the body. As I told you, this is the one RBC cycle, and there are a lot of RBCs. Some merozoites move towards the other RBCs and then infect the other RBCs, as you see the ring trophozoite, immature schizont and mature schizont, and then become the merozoite. The other way is that the merozoite convert into the cycle which is gametogenesis, which convert the merozoites into microgametes and the macrogametes, and then when any mosquito bite the infected man, the micro and macrogametes are converted, goes into the mosquito body and converted into the sperm and egg, and the fertilization and the whole process is going on. Now I will show you the another pictures of plasmodium life cycle in a man like this. As you see the pictorial diagram, you see there is a mosquito. The mosquito bite a person and spread and transfer the sporozoites which are in the salivary glands of the mosquito, transferred to the body. The sporozoites which are in the salivary glands of the mosquito transfer to the liver. This is called hepatic stage, or another word it is called exoerythrocytic schizonty. This is a liver and a hepatic stage. In the hepatic stage, the sporozoites converted into the immature sporozoites converted into the immature schizont, and then converted into the mature schizont. When the mature schizonts are totally mature, there is a burst and there is a release of many merozoites. As you see, there are a lot of RBCs, and one merozoite infect and one RBC. When this is the hepatic stage, the merozoites are burst. There is a burst of merozoites, and this is an RBC phase. It is called erythrocytic stage because it is on the RBC, and you can see there is an RBC and the merozoite attached to it. When the merozoites are attached to it, merozoite convert into the ring trophozoite and the trophozoite, and then the schizont, and when the schizont mature, there is a burst of merozoites again. Now you can see there are again a merozoites, and they can infect the other RBC like this. There is another stage is going on, which is a ring trophozoite, and there are a lot of many other RBCs which can infected by this. Always remember, when there is a burst of merozoites on the RBCs, it is the stage when the person feels the symptom. You can say there is a shivering in the body, and there are shivering in the body, and there are increase in the temperature. This is the stage when the RBCs burst, and then the patient feels the symptoms. And then I can say merozoites now move towards, there are two ways now. The first way is merozoites move to the other RBC, and the other way is that the merozoite convert into the gametocytes. Gametocytes becomes micro and macro gametes. Again there is a mosquito bite, and there is a stage in the mosquito which is an ochinocytes, oocytes, sporozoites, and the mature sporozoites which move toward the salivary glands of the mosquito. Remember that when there is a malaria or there is a plasmodium infection and anything, there is a precaution advised by the doctors that a person is coronatized, and there is a net, there is a coronatized and the patient in the net, because whenever a patient is infected by a plasmodium of mosquito, plasmodium cycle is going on. When any uninfected mosquito is bite to that person, the mosquito become infected, and the other person which is sitting or laying beside that person which is infected, and when a infected mosquito bite to this, there is a spread of disease. So this is the whole scenario of plasmodium life cycle.